Alright, so we caught it in the middle of it cooking here. We're making some fucking enchiladas, alright? We're making some fucking enchiladas. We're making them the white boy way, kinda. I mean, we're boiling some Costco chicken that was left over. It's a little old. I don't know if it's gonna be good, but we boil all the fucking sin out of it and be fine. We got some tortillas going on here. We're not using oil. We're using snow-capped lard the way the Mexicans intended. Watch the lard. It tries to give you that old hot too. It gets a little fucking crazy when it gets hot. So I turn that fucker down. It's looking good now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I love it when you get all covered in oil, baby. Yeah. Got some Spanish rice going. You missed that part, but I blended up half a can of Rotel with some fucking cumin, garlic, and some fucking pepper. I might have forgot to put any salt in there. Let's get some salt. Shit. Salt. Salt. Gotta have salt or it won't taste good. We just hit the fucking rice cooker, hit white rice. It ain't white rice, but we right, so it's all right. Now that we're done with the tortillas, we're gonna go ahead and start on our refried beans. We got some fucking onions and a little bit of bacon. We're gonna throw into this lard. There we go. Oh yeah, get in there. Oh yeah. Got a nice stir. Let that cook up a little bit. All right, now that these are cooked up a little bit, we're gonna throw a little bit of butter in there. Kind of mess that around. And take our beans that we rinsed off. Always rinse your beans because the preservatives will fuck you up, man. Oh, yeah. I'm going to take that, throw that on a simmer for a few minutes. And get back to making enchiladas. Now from here, it's pretty simple. You just take your fucking chicken, put your chicken in there, get a little bit of fucking cheese, and take the thing and you roll it up like a little burrito. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but here I am recording this shit so you guys can see it. So whatever the fuck. You always can repeat that till all your enchiladas are done. Now you got all your fucking enchiladas in the pan. There's 12 of them there, but we got no sauce. What the fuck are we gonna do? We're gonna make a little bit of Midwest meets Southwest. We're gonna mix some sour cream with some of this green chili from Hatch, New Mexico. This stuff's got these guys with smug little fucking looks on their faces. We're gonna put that together in this little blender here. Now we got our green chili, a sour cream. I mean, fuck it, we're gonna throw a little bit of garlic in there, why not? And we're gonna blend that shit up. Where did I put the fucking lid? Oh, there it is. There's that bad boy. Oh, yeah. Take this sauce right here, just pour it straight over those little fucking Mexican lasagna rolls. Little Mexican manicotti, if you will. Got a New Mexican, whatever. Now we got our sauce on there all nice and good. Take the remaining cheese and just fucking cover that bitch up. Oh yeah. I might have to open another bag of cheese, I'm not sure. There you have it. We didn't do such a great job shredding the cheese, so there's a little brick there in the middle, but who cares? Throw that in the oven, 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. And we'll come back in just a moment. Alright, so back to the beans here. Let's check out how these guys are going. Oh, they need to be mashed a little bit. Oh yeah, it's a potato masher, but it works fine for beans. Who gives a fuck, right? Oh, this looks good. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, look at that. Still sizzling. Bam! Just like that, you got chicken enchiladas. Like and share and follow for more of this bullshit.